Okay, design ang mechanics ng mga ating consequence. Kakantayin na natin ang happy birthday song using the sounds of your chosen pet or animal. Kailangan kompleto ng happy birthday song. Ma'am, ano pong sounds ng aso? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wait lang, easy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Sige na nga, matawag ko kayo. Okay, ano po sounds ng pusa? Meow. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Fish ka ma'am, mamaya na po yung fish. Okay, yung ibon muna. Anong sounds ng ibon? Okay, tweet. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, thank you so much ma'am. Pwede na po kayo mo po. And ma'am, the last but not the least, ano po yung sounds ng fish? Yung sounds ng fish, yung tayo bula niya pa yung block, 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 block. Ganun po. Okay, ready ma'am. 1, 2, 3, go.
Blok, blok, blok. Blok, blok, blok.
Okay, thank you.